What if I told you that some brokers want you to lose? That's right. The house always wins, you always lose. Unlike transparent brokers who pass trades to the real market, B-book brokers take the opposite side of your trades. This means that when you lose, they win. This creates a serious conflict of interest where these brokers have every incentive to see you fail. Welcome to the shady reality of B-book brokers, where manipulated spreads, artificial price movements, and stop hunting tactics are all part of the game. Today, we will talk about how these brokers operate, the deceptive strategies they use, and how they quietly profit from unsuspecting traders. But more importantly, I'll show you how to identify and avoid these brokers so you can trade smarter, protect your capital, and ensure you're playing in a fair market. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge about B-book brokers, how you can trade better, and how to avoid hidden traps. So, what's the difference? In an A-book broker, you have the trader on the left, the broker whom you are trading with, and a liquidity provider that makes it possible to trade real markets through the interbank market. This setup allows trades to be executed in the real market in real time. Now, let's look at a B-book trading account. Here, you have just two entities, you, the trader, and the broker. That's it. There is no liquidity provider and no interbank market. So, where are these two? Well, in a B-book trading account, the broker acts as the liquidity provider and the interbank market. This means that the broker is a dealing desk broker, which means that they are making money regardless of what happens to you. If you make a winning trade, they will match you with other losing traders from the same broker, and if you are losing a trade, that is due to the broker taking the other side of the trade. And what are dealing desks? They are market makers that buy and sell against their clients' trades. They control the order fulfillment process, which allows them to control prices and spreads offered to clients. The broker can manage risk by hedging against their clients' positions. So, what broker are you currently using and how has been your experience with it? Let us know in the comment section. How do B-book brokers manipulate traders? Since B-book brokers profit from your losses, some use shady tactics to increase their winnings. Here's how they do it. Spread manipulation. Artificially widening the spread to make it harder for you to win. Brokers may also restrict trading during volatile events to limit their risk exposure. Stop hunt traps. Ever notice that price spikes just enough to hit your stop loss before reversing? That's no coincidence. B-book brokers can trigger stop loss orders by manipulating price feeds, forcing you out of trades before the actual market direction moves in your favor. Slippage. Executing your trades at worse prices than expected. This can happen when market conditions are volatile or when there is low liquidity. Bonus traps. Offering free deposit bonuses with hidden conditions that make withdrawals nearly impossible. When it comes to A-book trading, you need a great liquidity provider. Spreads may be a bit higher, but they are fair. These 2 points can be a benefit for B-book brokers. Guaranteed liquidity for clients as they are taking positions against you. Fixed spreads in most cases, meaning a B-book broker can feel cheaper to trade with. In an A-book model, you have a transparent trading environment with no conflict of interest as the broker does not profit from clients' losses. But in a B-book platform, you have fast execution since the broker controls the market but no transparent environment as the broker profits from clients' losses. In an A-book broker, prices and spreads reflect true market conditions, but that's not happening in B-book trading. Trades are not exposed to the true interbank market, which may lead to non-transparent pricing. But how do you find the real broker? 1. Decide what is more important to you: trust or lower spread. You will get fair prices with trust or lower spreads with less transparency. 2. Do market research, check licenses, and see if the broker can meet your criteria. Don't blindly pick a broker. Go through a few names and then select based on your criteria. 3. You can directly connect to liquidity providers through ECNs, where ECNs will charge you a commission to directly get connected to these LPs. 4. Test it. Start with small capital, test withdrawals to ensure you can get your money out, and monitor execution speed and spreads to check for fairness. B-book brokers thrive on the losses of retail traders. If you're not careful, you could be trading in a system designed for you to fail. But now you have the knowledge to protect yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening trading insights.